Apple has finally launched the next generation MacBook Air. The starting price of the new MacBook Air is 1,14,900 Indian rupees or $1,149 in the US. So does it still make sense to buy the old one, or should you wait for the new MacBook Air? Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. As far as the user experience is concerned, it would be very difficult to judge the performance in regular day-to-day jobs. Having said that, when it comes to build prowess and display capabilities, the new MacBook Air is bound to please you. Design-wise, the new MacBook Air is thinner and comes with a better Retina display. Apple claims 4 times the pixels of the regular display. While the display quality claim remains to be tested, the new MacBook Air comes with Touch ID support this time. This means finally the Apple MacBook Air gets fingerprint support in 2018. You can also use your fingerprint to access locked documents, notes, and system settings without entering the password at all. The new MacBook is powered by the T2 security chip, which also enables support for Hey Siri assistance. Then again, the new device comes with butterfly mechanism keyboards for better key stability than traditional. Thankfully, the keys are individually LED backlit with an ambient light sensor helping you to type in low-lit environments. Apple has included a slightly bigger Force touchpad, and this time it comes with an 8th generation 1.6 GHz base-clocked Intel Core i5 processor paired with 16GB of RAM and 1.5 TB of internal storage. The internal graphics this time being the Intel UHD 617. Overall, the device will be having a better battery life, and as far as connectivity options are concerned, the new MacBook Air is just limited to wireless options as it comes with only USB Type-C ports. There is no provision of even connecting a headphone to the latest device. As for the color variants, the new MacBook Air comes in 3 colors being space gray, silver and gold. So that would be it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.